After the conference, Shoch said he was disappointed that the matter wasn't discussed with Kelly before it became public. And he called Mr. Kelly immediately after the press conference to apologize for the way it was handled. We should have extended him the courtesy of making him aware of the issue. They're words of Rick Shoch, not Judge Sacavage. I wish he would follow his own advice. And I sincerely hope that this matter comes to an end. He is an elected official. If he wants investigations, if I feared any kind of investigation, I wouldn't have sat in front of you all today and gave up all of the information I have. That's what this isn't about. And this is not a theatrical operation. There's not going to be any circuses and any dog and pony shows here. I'm simply going to address the allegations and support my position by what I believe are facts. With all due respect, one of the conspirators is supposed to be Mr. Clousey over there. I've had my times with Mr. Clousey. If anybody thinks that I would engage in a conspiracy with Mr. Clousey, they're out of their mind. The commissioner made an allegation that he spoke to somebody at the Department of Labor and Industry. The commissioner, being a lawyer, knows about hearsay, I assume. And if this is a matter that you're going to go out and try and take down a whole court and implicate the rest of the government of Northumberland County, let's start and get that right. If there is such a person, identify that person, bring that person forward so others can judge credibility. Mr. Shoch is a member of the prison board along with me, so I'm there with those meetings. And Mr. Shoch is a frequent visitor to the chambers. Don't ask me, ask the ladies that work there. And it was never unusual, not unusual, for me to come in and see Mr. Shoch sitting there and invite him in and shoot a fact, so to speak. How's it going, Chuck? Or Rick, looks like you're getting beat up pretty good down below there. Reference to some of his clashes with his commissioners. But it was all very congenial. And more importantly, I was readily available. So if these matters, these horrific matters that are being accused of, occurred back in June and July, why are they aired for the first time in October?
Second, I want to tell the media that I think it was Mr. Shoch has been doing in Northumberland County with this issue with Judge Sacavage. He left an open lawsuit for everyone in this county. Every employee in this county, everybody got accused to sue the county, including Mr. Wondolowski and other employees in the county. I believe Commissioner Shoch is out of hands, and I urge anybody in the county, in the attorney level, to talk to Mr. Shoch, to tell him to cut it out or resign, because this is a mess. We cannot continue working this way anymore. When a member of the court, he accuses a conspiracy, when we have no conspiracy whatsoever, he's leaving the county for a major lawsuit.